Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to activate your Spruce debit card. So if you want to activate your Spruce debit card, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.sprucemoney.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Spruce. If you do not have an account, you can click on this get started button right over here. If you have an account, you can enter your email or you can directly click on the sign in button right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter your mobile number or email. Simply click on this box. Now enter your email or you can also enter your phone number. Here you can see I've provided my email. Now all you have to do is click on this next option right over here. After signing into your account on your home page, find the message activate card. Then click on activate card. Then you'll have to confirm that you received the debit card. Click on the next option that you'll be able to see on your interface. Then you'll have to set up 4-digit PIN for your debit card. You'll have to use it to withdraw cash at ATMs or in any other cases. Click next. Then you'll be able to see confirmation that your Spruce debit card is active. So that is how you activate your Spruce debit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.